In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a contact using Zoho CRM in N8N step by step. This is a simple automation that can save you time when you want N8N to create new contacts inside your CRM automatically. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy N8N guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. This can be an existing workflow, or you can start with a new one if you're building this automation from scratch. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel. This is where you'll find all the available apps and actions you can add to your automation. In the search bar or app list, choose Zoho CRM. After selecting Zoho CRM, look for the action that says Create a Contact. This is the node you need when you want N8N to create a new contact record inside your Zoho CRM account. Click it to add it to your workflow. Next, configure what you want to create. This means filling in the contact fields you want Zoho CRM to receive, such as the name, email address, phone number, or any other contact details your workflow needs. Make sure the data you map into the node matches the contact information you want saved in Zoho CRM. Once everything is set, review your configuration carefully so the contact will be created exactly the way you want it. After that, save the node and run the workflow to test it. If the setup is correct, N8N will send the contact data to Zoho CRM and create the new contact for you automatically. And that's it. You now know how to create a contact using Zoho CRM in N8N. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.